What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be just tackling a lot of stuff that I have been just putting off. And I know y'all have those like tasks that are just lingering and y'all are like, I'm going to get to it, and then never get to it. I know I'm not the only one. So yeah, today I'm getting to it. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is clean the blinds. All of the blinds in my house, I'm cleaning them. And the way that I do that is I just spray a paper towel with any cleaning solution and just wipe each blind down individually. And yes, this is gonna take forever, but it has to get done because after a while the dust accumulates. And I know you can get like a duster, but I prefer to just use a paper towel, and then when the paper towel gets really torn up, I just replace it with a new paper towel and continue on. And don't forget the window sills. I don't care how clean you are, at some point you're gonna get these little flies in your window sill, so yeah, I just clean that off. And then we can get to the cleaning of the actual windows, and I'm cleaning them inside and out. Luckily, I'm able to pull my window down to actually clean it, and it's super dirty as expected. Okay, so this next task might be a little bit controversial, but I like to clean my trash bins, and that goes for the inside trash bin and the outside one. So here I'm just hosing it down, and I might put like a little bit of Fabuloso in the water and kind of just spray all inside it wherever I see like any sticky stuff or any stuck on anything. Yeah, I just go ahead and clean it, and I do this like every few months. But I have been putting this off for a while, so I was really excited to just go in and hose everything down.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand, man, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Alright, so enough of the outside work. We are back inside, and ladies, you already know what it is. I got these dirty makeup brushes, and I got my dish soap. I also have this tool, but really you'll see me end up using my hands most of the time. But yeah, y'all know that cleaning makeup brushes can be put off forever to the point where it just gets ridiculous. So I'm like, okay, it's now or never. Let's do it. guys, so we are done with the makeup brushes. The last thing I have to do is clean this cup holder and we are good to go to the next task. Alright, so the last thing on my list is to shampoo my rug, and I'm using the BISSELL TurboClean Pet, and I'm actually only going to fill it halfway with warm to hot water because I'm only doing a rug and not like a whole room. And I'm going to add some Persil, which people say this is the best rug or carpet cleaner on the market, and I would agree. So it's actually a laundry detergent. Then slide it back in till you hear a click. So one kind of cool, kind of gross thing about this shampooer is the brush actually clumps together the dog hair so that it doesn't like actually come through the machine, if that makes sense. So as I was going, I would have like clumps of dog hair that I could just easily pick up. Okay, y'all, please don't think I'm gross and nasty. I don't even wear shoes in the house, and yeah, this water is literally black. It's literally black. This was all the dirt that was in my rug. So yeah, either I'm really dirty or this machine is just really good or Persil is really good. I don't know. But one thing I will say about this Bissell is that it was really hard for me to get some of the dog hair that went through out of the dispenser. So I had to kind of get like a plastic fork and knife, but I eventually got it. And I'm so happy now that I finally got everything done that I've been putting off since forever. Let me know in the comments, what have y'all been putting off? Like, I know we clean every week and do our normal stuff, but what's one task that you've been putting off since forever? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Peace.